So what you're looking at here is Solar Solution AZ LLC's identification card. We are electrical contractors, residential and commercial electrical contractors. Our license number is 282700. Feel free to look us up with the Register of Contractors to check us out. This page gets into history of electric rates. These reports are pulled from the Energy Information Administration. It's a government website that keeps track of electricity sales statistics for Arizona. Specifically, what we're looking at here is different types of utility companies. You can see the top line. It says investor owned, public, federal, or cooperative. If you're in a major city like Tucson or Phoenix, you're going to have an investor owned utility company. If you're in a rural area, you're most likely to have a cooperative utility company. Mainly what we're looking at is the average retail price per kilowatt hour and the trend of increase from 2004 to 2010. And on average, you're going to see around a 30% increase in utilities over the last 6 years in Arizona. Net metering is a program that works in conjunction with solar. What it's designed to do is keep track of how much energy your solar system produces, because solar systems do not store energy in batteries in this scenario. They store energy on the electrical grid. So for example, if your solar system produces 100 kilowatt hours in a month and your home only uses 80 of those kilowatt hours, then your home would have a net meter of 20 extra kilowatt hours on the account. So the application is actually on your bill. Any excess energy that you generate will be stored on your account. That's helpful for knowing that in Arizona you're going to have higher usage months, meaning you use more electricity in the summer than you do in the winter. So in the winter months, your system will overproduce energy and you'll get a kilowatt hour credit on your bill that will carry forward to the summer months, where then your system will not produce enough energy to provide you with all your needs, but it's designed to do that because you have that excess credit on your account. So what you'll do is pull from those credits during the summer months. Also with net metering, it's an annual program. So once a year, depending on what utility company you have, your account will true up. Any excess kilowatt hours on your account will then be purchased from you by your utility company at a rate determined by the Arizona Corporation Commission. It's not a large amount. It's around 2 cents per kilowatt hour, but that is something that does occur. Mag-A Solar is the solar panels that we're currently using. Whenever you're looking at what type of product to install at your home, it's just like shopping for electronics. If you look at the top 10 solar panel manufacturers in the world, they're going to be listed as the top 10 companies that can produce the most solar panels. So you're going to find a lot of Chinese companies on those types of lists. But there are other companies that provide good quality products that don't make it onto those lists because their facilities aren't as large. Mag-A Solar is going to be one of them. The reason that we like Mag-A Solar is because they've been in business for 40 years. Not many solar panel manufacturers can claim that they've been manufacturing goods for 40 years. They do have 30 facilities worldwide. 4 of those facilities manufacture solar panels. One is located locally in the United States in Georgia. They have them in Italy, Spain, and South Korea as well. It is a German engineered product, and they do offer USA headquarters and assembly, so they provide jobs in America. They do have the highest output guarantee in the solar industry, so they do have a really good solar product. How warranties work for solar is you're going to have either a 25-year or a 30-year power guarantee. Mag-A Solar is the only solar panel manufacturer that offers a 30-year power guarantee. How that guarantee works, it works off the production of the panel. How many watts can that panel produce at a given point in time? Solar panels themselves have a degradation factor of less than 1% a year, so you will see efficiency loss because they are sitting out in the elements. So at year 12, the warranty will still be at 90% of the power that would have been generated at year 1. And then at year 30, you'll have 80% of the power that would have been generated at year 1. The positive tolerance speaks to how well the product's made. With electricity, everything is based on tolerance. The easiest way for me to explain that is if you had a 300 watt solar panel If you had a plus 5 watts positive tolerance, that means you're going to get 300 to 305 watts out of your panel, whereas most solar panel manufacturers have a variance of plus or minus 2 to 7%. So you're not always getting what you're paying for. With Mag-A Solar you are, and it is a good quality product. Solar Solution, we are an integrator, so we're just giving you information about this product that we're currently using. If a better product comes along, or a product that's comparable with a lower price point, that's what we try to provide, is the best bang for your buck to the end to our customers. Inverters, there's 3 different ways that we can convert energy. Here at Solar Solution, we choose to use an optimized version of converting energy. So what happens is each solar panel on the roof will be connected to a device called an optimizer. What this optimizer does is it'll track the sun on each individual panel, so each individual panel can produce as much energy as that panel could produce at any given time. It works in conjunction with a central inverter. So the central inverter is actually doing all the work in converting the energy to usable energy. Another way that other installers will install solar that I think that you need to hear about is a string inverter. In that instance, what's going to happen is the solar panels will be run in series. They're connected to each other. Quick example is if you have 5 solar panels that are run in a series, if all 5 panels are producing 100 watts each, except for the middle panels producing 50 watts, well then all 5 of your panels are going to produce 50 watts each because they're run in series, so they're affected by their lowest performing point, which would be that 50 watts. When you use optimizers, that does not occur. Another way to convert energy is through what's called a microinverter. You can go on Google and search microinverters. You're going to find that they have the same technology as an optimizer, except for the fact that they'll convert the energy at the source on the roof at the solar panel or wherever the solar panel is mounted. The only issue with those is that they have individual circuitry within the inverters in their devices, and they tend to fail in Arizona heat. So we stay away from them, and we use an optimized solution for converting energy. And then here's a picture of some of our installations.